Hi everyone! So I thought I would do a quick tutorial of how I made the sprinkles for Tenley's first birthday. It's super simple for any cookie theme, ice cream theme, donut theme, or, let's face it, sprinkles are fun itself. So I will show you my trick that I did and hopefully it will help you too. So the first step is to find balloons that will work well. I specifically picked this bag because the colors were kind of like pastel-like colors that you would see in sprinkles. So the shades of pink that they would put in was perfect. The shade of blue was perfect. These are just typical colors that I feel like you would see in sprinkles, and I like that pastel color. And now what you're gonna do is you're actually not going to blow up the balloon all the way. If you actually blow the balloon all the way, it looks like the most awkward sprinkle in the world. Instead, you're actually going to measure it. So make sure you start from the tip where you would put the pump in. And what I would do is you would measure it to 2.5 to 3 inches. And then you would take your Sharpie and just put a little tiny dot. And then I would fold it. Now it's shorter. As you can see, you're not going to use the whole thing. You're only going to pump from there. I know it seems small now, but watch. When you actually pump it, it'll look more like sprinkles. And voila, you got sprinkles. So after you do that, just cut right there. You will tape both sides of your sprinkle because, let's be real, sprinkles don't have these weird, awkward ends. And there you go. So to put the sprinkles up, I highly recommend using gaff tape because it easily sticks on the wall and make sure the sprinkles stay, but also not damaging the wall. Super easy to take off. Gaff tape, which is used in production, in filming, movies, television, all that fun Hollywood stuff. And it sticks perfectly to basically any object. And I have put the link below so you can check that out. Have fun. The cool thing about sprinkles is you can have it go any type of direction you want. Ta-da! You got a sprinkle wall. All of this is from Amazon. Even this hand pump, which is awesome. Super easy to use. I thought I would need a lot of strength because honestly, I don't have a lot of arm strength. And it was so easy. And the balloons are from Amazon and all that good stuff. So that's my recommendation. Have fun, and if you have any questions, make sure to ask in the comments below. Oh, hi! You're welcome! Mom life, right? See you real soon! Bye!